Okay, this time we are going to use the soldering iron. Let's see how directly we use the soldering iron in order to fix this. I'm gonna show you my way, my CPU Academy way that I'm always use. Just see this soldering bit. Instead of editing the flux, in this time we are going to add the soldering bit, but watch out because we need to use a little bit of amount. It's gonna help us in these processes, okay? Just use a little bit, don't add too much. See guys, just a little bit. We're not gonna go so deep. After that we are going to do the vaporization way again. Okay, and remember that the vaporization way is helping us to go. So important guys, this. Nobody is doing that, okay? I think it's first time to you to see someone is doing the vaporization to board before doing the micro soldering. Okay, after applying some solder tin, and after applying some solder tin, which is our first step, then we are doing a vaporization to board. After vaporization board, just take this connector from here. We need to fix it. And just this is for professionals. I don't recommend you as a beginner to do this. It's gonna be safer. It's safer than the hot air, okay, but slower. You are going to do this. We need to do a lot of devices per day. So hot air is just a little bit of second. You're going to do this in a second. Okay, it's also fast for people who are professionals, but I prefer to use as a beginner hot air, okay? But it's gonna be more stronger than the hot air itself. Let me tell you the truth, it's stronger. But don't forget the data. Don't forget the data. And we have right now a very, very strong fixing. Super strong fixing. What if you see some tin here, like an extra tin? Just take this shield, okay, and take out this extra tin. If you see some extra tin, it's so easy. We are super ready now. Well, as I told you, just use the hot air in your beginning. It will be more better. Okay, this is how we do the soldering way with the soldering iron. And don't forget to clean. Always clean before you finish, clean, and before you start, clean. Always clean, okay? Because the one who clean the board is the one who we call professional one. Always clean. Just use alcohol. This is called the 95% of alcohol. And we are going to use the brush in doing. And we are going to use the brush to make it cleaner. Look at this, guys, super shiny and great and so strong, super strong. And this is how we do the soldering wear. Also the soldering iron, we use a 360, don't forget that. Okay, 360 is my number. I use it every single wear.